Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up simple voice chat on Aternos Forge. First, you will need to download the simple voice chat mod for your specific Minecraft version. This mod enables real-time audio communication directly within the game, enhancing your multiplayer experience significantly. Ensure you have the correct Forge version installed on both your client and server for seamless compatibility. This easy method will get you chatting in just a few simple steps. To begin, download the simple voice chat mod from a trusted source, ensuring it matches your Minecraft game version. Once downloaded, simply drag and drop the mod's JAR file into your client's mods folder. This folder is typically found within your Minecraft installation directory. After placing the file, launch your Minecraft client to verify the mod loads without any issues. This step is crucial for client-side functionality. Next, head over to your Aternos server panel. Locate the Mods section and use the search bar to find Simple Voice Chat. Select the version that corresponds with your client-side mod and click Install. After the installation is complete, it is essential to restart your Aternos server. This ensures the mod initializes correctly and is ready for use by all players. With both client and server mods installed, join your Aternos server. Once in-game, press the V key to access the simple voice chat overlay. Here, you can adjust your microphone sensitivity, speaker volume, and other important settings to ensure crystal-clear communication. Now, you and your friends can enjoy seamless, real-time voice chat, making your Minecraft adventures even more immersive and collaborative.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.